Hello, welcome to this video. Here I will give you a better links for your YouTube channel and your Facebook group. What does it mean, better links? You know, when you want to send people to your YouTube channel so that they subscribe, or when you want to send people to your Facebook group that you want them to join it. Of course, usually what we take is the URL of the Facebook channel or the YouTube channel and the Facebook group, and we put them on our blog or on our bio description, wherever, And so the people go to your YouTube channel or Facebook group, and then they have to take action and click on the subscribe button. But there are other ways. They are very simple. In YouTube channel, you just have to add at the end of the URL, you just have to add this, question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. So this is your normal YouTube channel URL. You just add this at the end. And what does it do? When they go to this URL, they will have a pop-up saying, do you want to subscribe? Yes or no? And the actual page of the YouTube channel is under this pop-up. So they first have to click yes or no, and most probably they will click yes. And if they are already subscribed, the pop-up still show up, but doesn't matter for those who are already subscribed to your YouTube channel. So that's good. That increase the number of your subscribers if you always use this URL instead of the normal one. So you should do that, and the best things to do for both of them is to use URL shortener like bit.ly or your own shortener. You can use a Pretty Link plugin on your WordPress blog. If you don't know how to do it, you can put a comment under this video. I will maybe do another one or reply to you immediately about this, how to do. But this is useful because once you have a shortcut URL and you always use this one in everything where you want to give out your link, in your email sequence, in your autoresponder, or on your blog menu, on your social networks description, where you can put your links, wherever you always use your shortened URLs. So this is for YouTube. This one is well known already, so you do that. That's it. For Facebook group, it's this URL, and this URL you cannot find it anywhere. I will show you how to find it. What is it? It's the group ID. This is the number, the ID of your group, and you need to put this URL completely. You cannot remove this part. So how do you find it? I will show you in my group, Facebook group. You go to, okay, so this is my group in French. You go to members, or in fact even on the page, it doesn't matter. I will show you members. You have a section on the right to invite new members. Here on the right, invite members, and you have a link here. It's called embed invite. When you click on it, you have a pop-up which gives you a long HTML code it's to put it in your emails. It will display a button which says join my group. But in all this code, all you want to take is um, it's down here, you know, a style da 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 href equals and all this until the double quote here. So you know this URL, this is the actual link of the whole code. So you take this URL, you will see that in the middle here you have ampersand, AMP, and the sign. And this you need to replace it by just ampersand in your link. So you will have, I will show you on Notepad, here you have only ampersand. But the group ID you will find is here. So once you have this, what does it do? When you send people to this URL, they come to a page. If they are already a member of your group, they will go straight to the home page of your group. So it's like the normal URL. It doesn't do like YouTube. It doesn't show a pop-up even if the person is already subscribed to your YouTube channel. No, on Facebook, if the person is already a member of your group, the link will send them to the home page of your group. But if they are not yet a member of your group, it will show them. So I did this URL for a group that I'm not a part of already, just to show you what it will show. It will show this page, very simple, with do you want to join this group? Take the name of your group, some information, and a button join group or cancel. So one more time, this URL is way better because when they go here, they arrive, okay, join group, and they are already invited. So they will join as soon as you give them this URL. It will increase the number of your members. So you see, I don't know if I don't need to repeat because you can go back to the video and see where I found this URL. And once you have it, when you test it, it will send you straight to the home page of your group because you are a member of your group. But remember that it works. It shows a pop-up for those who are not already a member of your group. So once you have those two URL, you are sure about them, you put them in a URL shortener tool or your own redirect, and you use those URL in everywhere where you put links to your Facebook group or YouTube channel. And this way you will increase very quickly the number of your members. Maybe to end this video I can show you, well, it doesn't matter, but I will show you the insight of my group for which I used recently this technique. And I did some promotion of this group, and it's very very quick new members, you know, only 200. But I started with maybe a few dozen, maybe 30 members, and in just 3 days. So you see the total number of members. So I think here I have 18 members. And here I started the promotion with this link. And you know, it grows very, very quickly because every time someone goes to my link, they are prompted to join the group. They are not shown the home page of the group and a small button to join it if they feel like it. No, the first page is, do you want to join this group? Yes or no. If they click no, I don't know what happened. I will test with this URL. Here, if they come, they don't want to join the group. Okay, so they click cancel. Where does it go? so it goes nowhere. So you know it's quite convenient. So they can only join or just leave the page. So of course it converts a lot. That's it for this video. If you have any question, you can let them in the comments. And I see you next time. Bye bye.